What's up, Freshie Boy? Come on down to join us on our podcast. We're going to be talking about spooky season and everything Halloween. So come on down, get scared. Boo.
Hey guys, what's up? So come on by to Film Crew this week. We're going to be learning how to make yourself or your friends into a scary villain. You won't want to miss this.
Hey guys, this is Carl, and in this 3D workshop, we're going to be working on 3D brand logos on Tinkercad, so come on down to YOUmedia.
In this week's Let's Play, we're going to be playing Brawlhalla against YOUmedia North Dade. Hope to see you guys there.
Oh, hey guys, Mark here. And today guys at YOUmedia, we're going to be learning how to do a starter effect on Ultra Beat. So, come on through.
Hey, what's up you guys? This week's Photo Pros is fall time. So we're gonna take pictures outside and learn how to make trees into fall colors.